Hi again, folks. How you all doing? So if you watched my last video, you'll know all about the broken motion bracket on this class V1/3 that was donated to me by Laurie from Australia. This is a split chassis Bachmann V1/3. And if you watch the video, you'll know that I did a temporary fix on this, just with a spot of super glue, just to hold it in place, just so I could run the locomotive. But surprise, surprise, it's broken again. You know, that was never going to be a permanent fix. And I think, I mean, epoxy might hold a bit longer, but it's such a small join. And yeah, I wanted to do something a bit better, and I can't get a replacement for this. There are replacements that look like the right part on the Bachmann website, but it does say that they're specifically not for this particular model. So I assume they're correct. So I've had a little think about this, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at drilling into the plastic plug that's broken off in there. Just drill a wee hole in there, and then I'm going to replace this little screw with, just get this in tweezers here, going to replace it with this screw, which I think will just be long enough to go right through. I think that'll just poke out the end there enough to get a purchase in there and, you know, screw that on. It begs the question why they didn't do that in the first place. Why not just use a longer screw, and instead of having a little plastic plug, just have it screw in? I guess there's a chance it works loose, but it would have been a stronger join, because these things are so easily broken. So that's what I'm going to try doing. Let's see if it works or not. Get that out the way just now. We'll see if it's possible just to drill a little hole into the middle of this. I'm worried that it's all just going to break up. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to poke a little pilot hole in there first. Right, okay. Right. Let's see if this little screw will go in there. We'll get a little bit of black tack on the end of the screwdriver. This is an M1.2, 6mm long M1.2 self-tapping screw. So if I can get it to bite in there, it might be onto a winner. That seems quite good. It's only going to have to be screwed in a wee bit. So let's unscrew this. I may have to drill right through this motion bracket. Let's have a look. Right, okay. See if we can get this little screw out though. There, that's that little screw out. Now, I'll need to drill through the motion bracket using a slightly larger drill bit. Here we go. Put that screw through there. Have to go into there like that. Right. This becomes a bit of a fiddle. To get that through that hole. Like that, and then it should hopefully make sure I get that drop link right, otherwise everyone will leave comments again. Hopefully, let's see if we can get this screw through this hole fully first. Right. Let's get a bit more torque on this. There we go. It's on. So there we are. That appears to have been successful. So that screw goes right through the motion bracket and into the chassis there. That seems pretty strong. The motion bracket on the other side is okay, but if it does break, I can do the same thing. So I'm quite pleased with that. So there we go, that's a permanent fix for that broken motion bracket. As many people pointed out in my last video, I inadvertently got this drop link the wrong way around. I did notice it when I was editing the video, but I wasn't going to go back and do, reshoot all the running session and everything, so I just thought, no, I'll just leave it. But I did sort it. So yeah, I do notice these things at some point, but sometimes not straight away. Right, okay. Better give this a wee test run. Here we go. Excellent. Okay, folks. Catch you later.